Hey guys, this is Mukesh and today I'm going to talk about the best audio editing application for YouTube purposes. Not only for YouTube, this application is widely useful for a lot of purposes also. And you are right, yeah, it's not free, it's completely paid. It has nearly 1000 rupees in Indian money and the name of the application is WavePad Audio Editor Master Edition. And for you I just give the download link in the description box and you can download the app for free and you can install and enjoy it. And just open the application. This is the best application available in the Play Store in Android, and you can also download this application in iOS also. And for just these are the options, basic options. You can change the audio format, and like these are the basic things. And you can just add the recording. You can record the using this app, and you can add the audio also. And just I import this audio. And after this installation, you can just click the option. Click again. And it goes to the interface. This is the basic interface of this application, and you can edit like the way you can cut, copy and paste, and you can also delete and you can also select. And these are the basic trim. You can trim also. These are the basic editing options available in this application, and you also apply some effects. If you feel the audio of the any mp3 format file has very low, you can also amplify it by clicking amplify options, and the gain will be more. Like the way you can just apply this, and this is the best application, gives you a very quick support and very quick response to your edit, and you can easily flawlessly easily you can edit. And like the way there are a lot of options: normalize, compressor and equalize and envelope. Like these envelope application options are available in Adobe Audition, and stereo pan, reverse it, and special effects. There are a lot of special effects available here: echo, reverb, phaser, flanger, like the way chorus, distorts and telephone. You can also fade, speed. You can adjust the speed of the audio, and you can also see the waveform of the audio in this. And you can also clean up. Clean up means you can also remove the background noise, like there were reflections, fan sound, traffic sound, people sound. You can also delete all those sounds without affecting the audio. And you can also reduce the vocals by voice changes. You can also change your voice to female voice, male voice, dog voice, chimpanzee voice, computer voice, machine voice. Like the way there are a lot of options are available there. This is the best and simple application. You can just click export, like the way this is the option, and you can export to the folder and just download and okay, click the okay. It's already available. Okay, this is alright, like the way I can already told that. And thanks guys, I hope that this application is very much useful to you, and thanks for watching and keep subscribing me. Thank you very much.